This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, we will need to get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest and the most universal way to do that is by launching the control panel like that, by swiping downwards from here, from the right half of status bar. Then among the available tiles, find the shortcut that is responsible for the Wi-Fi, and then touch and hold at its icon. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, assuming that you are currently connected to the Wi-Fi network that you would like to share with others, or well, to help others connect to it, you just gotta tap at the gear icon over here, in front of a network, and then at the bottom left corner, tap at the QR code. And as you can see, the system will provide you with the QR code that can be further scanned by your friends, family, colleagues, whoever is the person you wanted to help connect to this network. And if they scan this QR code with their respective device or phone or tablet, whatever it is that they have, they will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.